Assalamu alaikum. This is chemistry 12th, and our today's lecture is about the nomenclature of amines. Now, in our previous lecture, we discussed the amines and their various types. Now, since our today's lecture is about their nomenclature, now, as far as these aliphatic amines are concerned, in common system of naming, the aliphatic amines are named by adding suffix amine to the name of the corresponding alkyl group. Now, in case of mixed amines, the name of the alkyl groups are arranged in an alphabetical order, and this is then followed by the word and this is then followed by the word this amine. Now, however, for simple secondary and tertiary amines, the prefix di or tri is added before the name of the alkyl group. For example, you can see here this is methylamine, and this is dimethylamine. Then we have got ethyl methylamine, and this is trimethylamine. Now, as far as the EPEC system of this naming is concerned, now according to EPEC system, these primary amines, they are named as the amino derivatives of the corresponding hydrocarbons and are called as amino alkanes. Now, in this system, the primary amines, they are named by adding prefix amino to the name of the parent alkane, and the position of the amino group and the substituents, if any, they are indicated by the Arabic numerals. The carbon atom containing the amino group should get the lowest possible number, and and the secondary and tertiary amines, they are named as nitrogen substituted primary amines, that is n alkyl amino alkane. And the word n alkyl or n dialkyl is prefixed to the word amino alkane, and the prefix n and nn this nn, they indicate that the alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom rather than to the carbon atom in the chain. Now, if two or three substituted if there or if now if the two or three substituents, they are different, then the largest alkyl group forms the parent alkane, and it forms the parent alkane or amino alkane, and the smaller groups, they are regarded as the substituents. Now, you can see here this is amino ethane. This EPEG name is amino ethane. Then we have got here this is a secondary amine, we see, to which we have got this methyl group on one side and ethyl group on the other side. Since this is the largest group, ethyl group, so this is named as n-methyl amino ethane. Similarly, you can have there, we have got here we have got three groups attached to the nitrogen atom. So we have got two methyl groups and we have got one ethyl group. So this is the largest group, so we call it as n dimethyl amino ethane. Similarly, you can see here now, as far as the position of this amino group in the carbon chain is concerned, it is indicated. It is also indicated. This is a 2-amino propane, where we see the amino group, it is attached to the carbon number second in the chain. That is the chain of 3 carbon atoms, that is propane. Now, you can also see here this is again, here you see it is the longest chain. Here it is 4 carbon atoms, and this is the methyl group is the substituent, and this amino group, it should get the least number. So we will have to number it from this side, and in that case we see that it is UPEG name becomes, it is 3-methyl and 2-amino butane. Now, in case of this UPEG system in UPEG system, these aliphatic amines are also called as they are also called as alkan amines. They are also called as by replacing e of the parent alkane by suffix amine. For example, you can see here this is amino ethane, or we can also name it since it is amino ethane, or it can be also named as ethanamine. Then I have shown here some of the examples. I have shown here these are the amines, and these are their common names, and these are their UPEG names. This is methylamine, and its UPEG name is aminomethane, or we can also call it can be also named like this methanamine. This is ethylamine, it is common name, and it is UPEG name is aminoethane or ethanamine. Or this is a secondary amine. You see here it is it is we have got three carbon atoms, so its common name is isopropyl amine, and EPAC name is 2-aminopropane or 2-propanamine. Similarly, we have got this again a secondary amine. This is a secondary amine, and this is called as dimethylamine, or it is EPAC name is N-methyl aminomethane or N-methyl methanamine. You can see here we have got two different groups attached to the nitrogen atom. This is a secondary amine. We have got ethyl group and we have got this methyl group. So this will act as a this is the larger group attached to the nitrogen atom. So this will be treated as the parent chain. Now this can be named as its common name is ethyl methyl amine as per, but iso this UPAC name is N-methyl aminoethane or N-methyl ethan amine. Now this is a tertiary amine where we see the three groups are methyl groups. So we call it as common name is trimethyl amine, but it is UPAC name is N-dimethyl aminomethane or N-dimethyl methanamine. Now you can see here again we have got here, this is again a tertiary amine. We see that there are two methyl groups and one ethyl group. So its common name is ethyl dimethyl amine. This is its common name, but its UPAC name is NN dimethyl aminoethane or NN dimethyl ethan amine. Now this is the nomenclature of these aliphatic amines. Then we have got these aromatic amines. In and as far as these amines are aromatic amines are concerned, in common system these aromatic amines, they are called as aryl amines, or they are written by these can be written by adding the suffix amine to the name of the aryl group. The simplest amine, this is you can see here, this is benzene amine, or it is also called as aniline. The other simple aromatic amines, they are named as derivatives of this aniline. You can see here this is benzene amine or aniline. This is in common system of their naming. This is, you can see this is a secondary amine. Again we have got a phenyl ring on one side and we have got a methyl group on the other side. So it is in common system, it is, we can call it as this is N-methyl benzene amine or N-methyl aniline. Again you can see here this is N-dimethyl benzene amine or N-dimethyl aniline. In UPAC system, this benzene amine may be written as, we can write instead of benzene amine we may write as aminobenzene. You can see here this is again the amino group is attached to this phenyl ring and we have got two methyl groups. So their position is indicated by these letters. We have got by these numerals 2,4. This is 2,4-dimethyl aminobenzene, or we can also call it a 2,4-dimethyl aniline. Now you can again see here we have got three bromine atoms. They are they are attached to this phenyl ring. So this is 2,4,6 tribromo aminobenzene or 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. Now you can again see here this is this we have got this nitrogen atom. It is attached to the methyl group and it is attached to the ethyl group on other side, and it is also attached to the phenyl ring. It is a tertiary amine. Now you can see here this is N-ethyl. Here the alphabetical order is to be taken into consideration, so we write N-ethyl N-methyl aminobenzene. And now you can see again here this is we have got a one methyl group or methyl group at ortho position. So this is 2-methyl aminobenzene, or we also call it as 2-methyl aniline or O-toluidine. Similarly, we have got the methyl group at this meta position. So this is 3-methyl aminobenzene or 3-methyl aniline, or we also call it as metatoluidine. Then we have got this methyl group at para position. So this is 4-methyl aminobenzene or 4-methyl aniline, or we can also call it as 4 this is also called as paratoluidine. So this is the nomenclature of these amines, and we will take up their preparation in our next lecture. This is for today. Thank you very much.